today I'm going to be replacing all of my propellers since, as you can see right here, I chipped this one, crashed my drone pretty hard. So I'm going to be using the replacements, which I have here. I have this, the screwdriver, everything that was included in the little fly more combo when I got this ages ago. So yeah, just turn this off, out. Ooh, look at that, comes with new little screws as well. That's good. Definitely good. Nice. So, admittedly, I haven't watched a video on how to do this, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Unscrewing this with the little screws that they give you. Do I only have 4 blades? Well, shit, maybe I should. I didn't know that it only comes with 4. That sucks. I guess I'm only gonna be replacing the broken ones then. I didn't count before because there's 8 blades. That was kind of stupid of me. Well, this one right here is broken. Totally smacked. Oops. So let's, real quick, just take this off. Super simple. Everything comes off just like that. Let's open this little bad boy open. Has the little mini screws that you're gonna need. Let's get, comes with 3. Not sure why it comes with 3, because you only need 2, but word. Let's make sure I have the right one, not the right one. There, yeah, don't put the wrong blades on the wrong side. That would be a good way to mess up your flight experience. So, screw this bad boy back in. Wait, this blade looks different, it looks bigger. I don't know. There we go. Blade is screwed in place. Let's check these other bottom ones. Are these broken? No, they're just pretty good scratched up. So, there you go. Blade replacement.